Let's talk about conditional selections. We can program our chatbot to decide to do based on the answers it receives. In order to do this, we need to ask our user a question that can be answered with a yes or a no. In our case, we'll be asking our user if they are okay. Go ahead and add the following code to your program and just add it to the bottom of your entire code. So we're going to add on to ask and concatenate a sentence called "Are you okay?" plus the name variable. Now we'll click to check what answer our chatbot receives. Like we mentioned, we are expecting a yes or no answer, so we'll be using a conditional if statement in order for our chatbot to make a decision on what we should say. So first, let's set up the question, and then we'll set up the if statement. So let's add on to our code by adding a new asking a question and waiting for a response. And we are going to ask, "Are you okay?" Are you okay? We'll add a question mark. And let's add in an if statement in order for our chatbot to make a decision on what we should say. So we're going to use an if statement in controls and attach it to the bottom. Then we're going to make our response equal, so the answer equal to yes first. So let's add in an operator. That way the answer can equal yes. And this if statement will only work if the answer, so the answer block, so the answer we receive is yes. And then we can say what we want if we reply yes. So let's say, "That's great to hear," if we reply yes. That's great to hear. And test it out by clicking your sprite. What's your name? Same thing as always. It's going to start from the top and work its way to the bottom. Then ask your color. Yellow's my favorite color too. And then it's going to ask the next question we're testing. Are you okay? We only have yes as a response. So let's do yes as our first conditional statement and see if it works. That's great to hear. Awesome. Let's continue this conditional statement by adding a no block now into our if statement.